omorembe koine kiwa anene ekereira agochigoso imiye county ya Kisii boigona baroboni go batakireira kwa kasera chia yero monyene utamubwatirani mwana siasa ndebwensi anene boigo asekerwo kyobo gavana Frida Kerubo na mange.
Tingaki omoraibe kia magia ODM Raila Odinga akageire gutarira county ya Kisii ritkoria angyo bononigo Abarai na boigo bagusira Raila Odinga besokire na kumwarigania.
Tebe gaba gusiba minto ase county ya Kisii. Tomanye tenga igabuna Gusii tore nomogoko asoko mwarigania omusikira Raila Odinga. Oyo chakomora ibwense kitari kikianda cyo mutinyo yega twachaki iyo nare gusaba itangane kiguma baminto ba Kisii County na Nyamira omorembe asabara yabakurye biro wao ebe no governor ebe no senator ama no judge
abo bagosira Raila Odinga bakoragwa no yoboletie ekirgo kyobo senator ime county ya Kisii omwaka bwekiri bubere na 15 na ibere Isaac Ochagwa nigobono baganirie omorembe ase abarwanereri na boigo komosira Raila Odinga ase okoeneki obubui asobocholi bolebosio. Boigo nigo bamuganirie Raila gotakera ondebwensi ekoko na boigo ko bali bagalia bene asogochora omorai bokogania kwabo.
Nande tuwale gusaba asenchira ya bene mono omusikira Raila Odinga yo gochakoba ne romurai bwenseye ondeta yole bwengenche nene kobuwa Abarai bande Abarai bonsi bagusiye ito baregentekemo Totage tikorora omwatananeko ase chikure chiga chia baba Raila Odinga. Igo totage tobege ntekemo nabo igo tukuburia nga omusike baba koranche tigabara ya barwane banyore kiroge kigabuka bene. To baisa go choro yomo nganero ubwenerete. Oyo yomekera go chorwa no mwatananeko monene orabe ase chikura chia baba amoni chikuri chiga tutagete ku kwa Abarai abai.
Tinga kiechio nigo bagikeria engana yomorembe boigo ase bagania abarwaneri koegwari bagalia bene lirengaine eliokonia chisera chiabo.
We hereby request that as the Kisii community we will want peace to prevail during his tour around Kisii tomorrow. We will also want our leaders, every leader that is contesting, to be given a fair playing ground to sell his values and agenda to the Gusii community. As a family of the Azimio, where His Excellency Raila Odinga enjoys massive support in Kisii Nyanza, we request that there will be peace during his stopovers. During our last meeting as the women leaders, we were tear gassed, people broke limbs, and we don't expect such a scenario tomorrow.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.